Hey everyone, welcome back to day 6 of 30 Day Power BI series. In today's video, we will be exploring page formatting, understanding the page format in Power BI. So, this is a key step in making your reports look professional and easy to understand. So, let's quickly dive into the Power BI. Okay. So, here, a page formatting in Power BI allows you to customize the layout and appearances of your report pages to fit your data story. Okay, so you can adjust the page size, backgrounds, and even align visuals for a clean and polished look. Okay, so to access the settings, let's head to the format pane here. Okay, on the right side and select on the page information. Let's look at the page information. So here on the bottom left side of your screen, you can see you have a desktop layout view and the mobile layout view. When you click, this is our desktop layout view. So now when I click on a mobile layout, so you can see this is your mobile layout view. Okay, so now let's work on the text. Let's understand the desktop layout view now. Here, if you want to open a new sheet, okay, what you can do here is click on this plus sign and you'll be able to open the new sheet here. Okay, so now right click, and if you want to rename it, so I'll be giving a dashboard name of the sheet as a dashboard. Click on the enter. Okay, here the name is changed. All right, so in the format pane also, when you go to a page information, you can see the name is replaced with the dashboard. Either you can change it from the format page or you can rename it here and change the name of the page here. Okay, so in this way you can switch between the sheets. All right, yeah, so now here we have a tooltip. So here this is a small square you can see. Okay, this is your tooltip. You can the Power BI allows you to use it as a tooltip, and here it allows you to create a question and answer as well in a Power BI. Okay, so now let's look at the other settings. Here we have a canvas setting. So this is our canvas. So the by default it is 16:9. Okay, and here we have a different ratios as well, that is 4 is to 3. So when I select it, so this is how the 4 is to 3 canvas looks like. And here we have a letter format as well and a tooltip. Okay, and the last one is your custom. Okay, you can customize it, you can give it height and the width. So like I want to give it a 900, you can give it here. Okay, height and the width. So this looks like a square here. Okay, so I'll give it by a default here. This is your default custom canvas setting. Okay, yeah, here you have in vertical alignment for a top and the middle, so whichever you want you can just give it to that. Okay, and your other settings, we have a canvas background. So in the canvas background, here you whichever the color you want, your desired color, you can select your desired color here. Okay, oh, I have given us desired color here, but why the color of my canvas is not changed? Because you have to bring this transparency to 0 here. Okay, all right, yeah. So now if I want to give it a image in my report or a dashboard, so how do I do that? So what you have to do here is you have to click on a add file. I have a image here on my system. Click on open. So this is a image. All right, so if you like you don't have any image in your system, okay, how to give an image now? What you can do here is you can just go to a Chrome, open a Chrome, and here you can select it, type you can type it a images here. Okay, any image, Google image. Okay, yes, so this is a image, but that's not that doesn't look a professional. Okay, let's take this. Okay, let's take this one. So here, remember, whenever you select any pictures for anything, like you want to create a dashboard or a report, so the dimension should be more than 1000. Okay, so that you don't get a blurry type, okay, in your image. So right click on it, save image as. So thus I'll be saving it in the downloads. Click on the save. Okay, so now that is saved. Here let's open it, close, and add a file. Here Microsoft Teams, open. So this is how you can change the images. Okay, give the images in the Power BI as well. So here, see, this is just a normal fit. Okay, so here you have a image with different fit. Okay, yes. So here you can give it a fill as well. Okay, you have a different images. You can give it to a normal, or you want to fit to a canvas, or you want to fill a canvas. Okay, there's different options. You can try it out. Yeah. So now we have a next setting is your wallpaper. Wallpaper is nothing but there is a difference between a background and a wallpaper here, canvas background. Okay, wallpaper is nothing but uh, on the back of your background. Okay, that is your wallpaper. Okay, let me give you an idea here. I'll give a color for a wallpaper. So let's keep this color. Okay, so see here, this is our canvas setting, canvas, and this is a wallpaper behind our canvas. Okay, yeah, click on a background. Let me remove this so that you get a view of the image, a background and a wallpaper. Okay, yes. So now here on the bottom right side you can see, you can zoom in and you can zoom out here. When you click on a plus, so you can zoom in. Okay, when you click on a minus, you can zoom out. So this is your canvas. Okay, and here is your wallpaper. So now you got a very clear idea about a wallpaper and a canvas setting here. Okay, now here we have a filter pane. You can give a text and the size. Okay, font, any desired font you can give it. Then you have an input, so you can explore this different types of you can explore it. So put your hands on this setting so that you will be very clear while you are creating your reports and the dashboard. Okay, you know how to format your pages in Power BI like a pro, right? So let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover next. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye.